Open the Chrome browser and search YouTube. Then request to desktop site. Then touch your channel icon. And then you will get this interface. Then touch customize your channel. Then you see this interface, and then touch the dashboard. This is your channel dashboard. At down you will see your subscribers count. Here you can see your subscribers. If you like this information, so please subscribe and like. Here is my channel. You will get tech and music information daily, so you can subscribe the channel.